Hello sir, this is Jason. I come from CARDOT company. Today I will tell you how to change default passwords. You can change default passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to any other passwords you want. Now let us input default passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We tried. We show you this password is default password. It is working now. Please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 working. Okay. Now it is working. We will change these passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to other passwords. For example, I change this password to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, please. Okay. Firstly, use the screwdriver. There is a small hole. This is learning button inside it. Hold it. Hold this button. Hold. Okay. Red light keeping on. Now, secondly, input the new password 1, 3, 5. All the passwords. Blink. Secondly, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Blink 4 times. Confirm 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Blink 2 times. Okay. Passwords is changed successfully. Let us verify this password is successful or not. Please input password, new passwords 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, working. We just changed this password successfully.